Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's episode of Indut. In today's episode, we are going to discuss what exactly are debentures. We can invest in a company mainly in two types or in two ways, which is equity capital and debt capital. Investing in equity capital of a company, as we all know, can be through equity shares of the company. However, very few of us know how to invest in a company's debt capital and why to invest in a debt capital of a company. Now, why to invest in debt capital of a company? Equity capital gives returns in the form of dividends and share appreciation. That is, the share price increases and you sell off the share to make profit. However, these returns are variable because the company may or may not declare dividend or the share price may or may not appreciate. But that's not the case with debt capital, as it gives the investor a fixed rate of return, as debt is a form of loan that is given to the company by investors like us. Now, the next question is, how do we invest in the debt capital of a company? There can be three ways to this. First is bonds of specific values. Second is deposits taken by companies just like banks take FDs. And third is debentures. In today's episode, we are going to discuss debentures. Now, a natural question will come to your mind that why should I invest in debentures when I have so many options like FD, equity shares, options, and so on? The answer to this is certainty. Debentures being a debt instrument will give you a fixed rate of return. So now you will say, तो क्या हुआ? FD में भी तो मिलता है fixed rate of return. But do you know something? That returns on debentures are usually more than that of bank FDs. People will now say, fixed return है तो भाई कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा इसमें. But dear all, SEBI and the Companies Act have made such stringent rules for issuance of debentures that if a company fails to pay the investors in time, the people who are responsible for this can go to even jail for this. How to invest in debentures? Investing in debentures is just like investing in equity shares of a company, that is, through stock exchanges and in primary market through new debt issues, which can be called as the IPO for debentures. Let's see investing in debentures through stock exchange first. For that, we'll have to go to the NSE website, which is nseindia.com. On the website, we'll have to go to the market data tab. Then from there, we have to go to the fixed income and debt market tab. And then from there, we have to search the name of the company in the search bar. After that, we'll get a list of companies and also a list of instruments. So then how do we identify debentures out of this? Debentures are indicated by N series. Instruments starting with anything from N1 to N9 or NA to NZ are debentures. You can check all the details like the maturity date of the debentures, last traded price, coupon rate, that is the interest rate on debentures, and then select the appropriate instrument for you. After this selection, we have to go to our trading account which we maintain with our broker, like for example Zerodha. I'm quoting this here only because I personally use Zerodha and not because this video is being sponsored by Zerodha. So, in the search list, you can search the debenture using the code that we had seen on the NSE website. Once we select the instrument, we just have to enter the number of debentures and the price at which we want to buy them. And that's it. It's that easy. Now let's see the second mode for purchasing debentures, which is through new debt issues. It's just like an IPO. Various broking platforms help you to subscribe to these debt issues. I personally use Zerodha's Coin app to subscribe to debentures in an issue. The information regarding these issues can be found on the SEBI website where the final prospectus is filed. Do the prices of debentures fluctuate? The answer is a big fat yes. But don't worry, the prices of debentures are not volatile like that of equity shares because investors looking for stability in their portfolio usually purchase debentures and hence they don't trade the debentures once taken and hold it till its maturity. Hope you all have understood this concept. Please tell me if you want such a video on bonds as well. Do let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe to our channel Findoot for more knowledge on finance related stuff, and thank you for watching.